What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Section 8 Automotive. Today I've got a 2013 Dodge Caravan. It's my wife's van. It's got a heater hose that's leaking, and I'm going to show you how to repair it for next to nothing, and in the process save yourself about $120. And while you're here, consider subscribing. It really does help out the channel. If you know anything that I may have missed, comment down below. Alright, so here we are under the hood of the van, and I wanted to take a second and show you, this is the factory Y. Now there's two Y fittings, one on this line here that's not busted yet, and one on the one I've already replaced, and but I was not able to replace it with a Y. Now, how do you reuse your factory lines even though it's assembled with this Y piece and these plastic rings here? Use a cutting wheel, and if you look down here, let me see if I can get a good shot of this thing. Focus. There we go, that's a little better. You see that hole right there? On either side of that hole, cut this. Let me see if I get a little pointer. There we go. On either side, cut it right there and cut it right there without cutting your rubber line. Don't cut it all the way through. And on the back side, there's another one. You do the same here, and this whole piece will come off. All right, and you do that there and there to those, and those will come off, and you could just replace this piece here and use your regular screw style hose clamps to replace, use that style of hose clamp to replace this molded hose clamp. All right, now on to the part I fixed. Now this is the one that wasn't bad yet, but I am going to go ahead and replace it whenever they come in. The one I did fix, I did not have a Y. The parts house was out, so there it is. I used a T-fitting just for now, and it's holding up. It's holding pressure. I think I got like 20 pounds of pressure on the system right now, and since I didn't have the Y piece that come up at an angle here and would go straight to that, let me zoom out here. I just looped it around back to that hose, or back to that metal line. That way it wouldn't have any kink in the hose and we still have good flow. So after replacing that Y fitting, the system's holding. Focus. I've got, what is that, 15, 16, 17, 18, 18, 19 pounds on the system right now, and it's holding strong. It's been holding that for about 10 minutes or so. So focus. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Also, while you're here, consider subscribing. It really does help out the channel. And as always, God bless and be safe.